Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we learn C programming, how to write code in C language. This is our third video. Initially, we learn basic Hello World program and how to take input and display it on the output screen. Today we are going to learn how to write a program of check number is positive or negative. So without wasting time, let's get started. #include stdio.h. We write this line for include library function in program. For getting basic information about this line, refer our previous video. We were discussed in detail about why we write include stdio.h. Now moving ahead, our next line is writing main function of our program, that is int main. Main function is starting point of our program. We can write anything about our program in main function. There are different return types to main function. Now we use a int to returning integer value. Now, after writing main function, we declare a variable with integer data type, that is int number. We have to take one input from user to check input is positive or negative, so write printf. Inside that, double inverted comma, message for user, that is, enter number to check positive or negative. Next, scanf function, to accept the input from user and store it in respective variable. So we write a scanf, inside that double inverted, and format specifier for integer value, that is %d, and we have to use ampersand symbol for input values. Now, successfully, we took value to check number is positive or negative. Now we have to use control structure for checking number. Basic concept is if our value is greater than 0, then number is positive, or number is less than 0, then number is negative. So we have to implement this basic idea in our program by using if-else control structure. So let's write if-else block. In first if block, we are going to check number is greater than 0 or not. So we write if brackets, inside brackets number is greater than 0. If this condition become true, then we print a message, that is given number is positive. Now, next we check number is negative or not. For check this condition we have to write nested if else, because if first condition is false, means number is not positive, then we are going to check number is negative. So we write our second condition in else if part. Else, if, inside brackets, number is less than 0. If given condition become true, then we have to print a message. So we write printf function. Inside function, we take format specifier, that is %d, to display the input number and our statement on output screen. Next is, if our both condition false, then what? So we couldn't predict that number is positive or negative, so we have to print message so user can understand input is neither positive nor negative. So we use else part of our if block. In else part, we can print a message that is given number is neither positive nor negative. Next, we write return 0 statement, and then closing brackets. Why we use return 0 statement? We explained information about that in our previous video, so do check it out. You can clearly understand basic concepts. After completion of program, we are going to compile a program. Here first message is enter number to check positive or negative. So first we give one positive number, that is 12. After that we press enter. Program shows 12 is positive number. Again we compile program and give negative number, that is -12. Our program shows -12 number is negative. It means code is work perfectly. Great. At the end, we run our program once more. Now we give value for checking else part. So we give 0 value as input, and our code define that 0 is neither positive or negative. That's really great. Our control structure works perfectly. Thank you for watching videos. Make sure that you will understand each line of code. If won't be understand